It is a good day for Zimbabwe. The Guruve serial killer has finally been captured, and it has been confirmed by the Zimbabwe Republic Police and the Zimbabwe National Army that the Guruve killer has been captured. Eni Mozwitwa, who is 31 years old, was captured in Guruve while he was in a garden. He tried to hide from the authorities and he tried to escape. And while he was running, he got shot on the leg, and this made it easier for him to be captured. And I'll show you the videos in a few seconds. But I would like to thank the Zimbabwe Republic Police. I would like to thank the Zimbabwe National Army, the Guruve community, and whoever participated and whoever assisted and helped in the capturing of this individual, because he has been terrorizing the community. He has been terrorizing people, and he has been murdering a lot of people. So I would like to thank each and every individual who managed to help in as little as they can in the capturing of this individual. Currently, as we speak, Eni Mozwitwa has been hospitalized. He is receiving medical treatment at a local hospital, which has not yet been disclosed. Let us take a look at the videos as the people were celebrating the capture of this individual.
Vakomana vabata basa magona varume magona apa mapedza naye
In a press statement, the police revealed that the Zimbabwe Republic Police confirmed the arrest of murder, attempted murder, and rape suspect Eni Mozwitwa in Guruve this afternoon on the 3rd of January 2026. The suspect was shot on the leg by a joint team from Zimbabwe Republic Police and the Zimbabwe National Army while hiding in a garden. He is now receiving medical attention at a local hospital. The police applauds the Guruve community and all the Zimbabweans for the support rendered during the comprehensive manhunt for the suspect. More details on the criminal charges and court appearances will be availed in due course. There had been concerns that this individual might have escaped into South Africa, but I can confirm, as it has been confirmed, that this person has been captured. He didn't manage to make it to escape into any other country. He was in Zimbabwe all this time. So there is nothing to fear. There is no panic that he is in a different country. He has been captured. He is in the hospital, and everything is now all sorted out. The people in Guruve are celebrating. The people are happy because now they can live in peace. Now everyone can smile. Now everyone can walk around in peace, knowing that they are safe. We will continue to give you updates about this case, and we will continue providing you with all the current affairs that are happening in and around Zimbabwe. So please don't forget to like, share, and also please subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on any news that might come out. Until next time, have a great day.